Hey everyone, welcome back to Veggie Life. Wishing you all a very happy and a prosperous Ugadi. Today we are going to be making Ugadi Pachadi in traditional Telugu style. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients which we will be requiring to make Ugadi Pachadi. First, I have taken neem flowers and start to remove them from their stalks. These flowers are bitter in taste and they denote sadness, which is an essential part of the life. It is an essential emotion which helps us enhance the other happy moments in our life. Next, I have taken about a lemon sized tamarind and pre soaked it. After about 5 minutes of soaking the tamarind, this is how it shall become. Now we can squeeze to remove all its extract which we can add to the neem flowers. Tamarind is representative of soreness as an emotion in life. Next, we will be adding about 1 cup of soft Kolhapuri jaggery. For a kick of extra sweetness, I have sliced banana here and added it to the Ugadi Pachadi. By adding sweetness to the pachadi, we are inculcating happiness into one's life. Next, we have taken a fresh raw mango and sliced it down into small pieces. This is representative of a surprise element in life, which is necessary to keep life more interesting. And last but not the least, a green chilli, which is representative of anger or hotness in life. Once done, we shall add salt as per our taste and season the Ugadi Pachadi. Ugadi Pachadi, this exquisite dish which includes all the 6 flavors of life, is a reminder that it is necessary for us to experience all the flavors of the life throughout the year to make it more interesting. Do try making this traditional easy recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you like it. Until then, like, share and subscribe at Veggie Life. Bye.